Okay. I think I'm live. Hopefully. Yep. Yep. Okay. Cool. So back to our grind, back to the D&D initiative grind. I made some changes since last time. Also hello to anyone who's watching, which I don't know. Uh, but yeah, I've made some changes. So I've added cleaned up a little bit of stuff, and I added a sort. So now if I make that 3 and make that 1 and then make that 52, 53 even, it'll sort them. So and I have a method to change them so that I could sort the other way if I wanted to. I don't know if you would really want to, but I haven't implemented a button for that. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this because I feel like this isn't helpful. I'm gonna make it like positives and negatives. I think I need to update the prefab for that. But first, I had a list of things in here. So this, yes, I have that. Okay. 1A implement. Need to change this button. I was also thinking of damage check. I'm gonna put the damage check on the unit themselves rather than on the UI, so you don't have to drag and stuff, which seems a little bit annoying to have to do. Ugh. And then duplicate unit. I think I've actually done this as well. I haven't done a save, so that's probably worth doing at some point. But I think like you could deal with it. A clean up drop down button. Okay, so I think that's kind of technically just one. It's just kind of 0A. Just kind of that, right? Cool. I don't know what's going on with my. Okay, very weird. I've duplicated the unit, right? So I believe that works. If I play this and I make this, let's call this guy Hobson. They're the Dungeons and Dragons guys. So yeah, so now I can duplicate Hobson. Oh, I think I just missed. Yeah, and sorting won't do anything because they're all technically real, or they're all technically the same thing. Because I was like, there's no point sorting the thing. If anyone's interested in how that works, just let me know. But for right now, I'm just gonna try and push ahead. So I'm gonna update this. So need to update the unit prefab. No. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. Let's just drag one of those out. Drop down back. Get rid of all of those. Advantage, disadvantage. I'm just gonna put that as a thing. Because like the advantages would be dependent on what they are. So I think this is not helpful. Prefab sure. And then add a. Let us see. What would I add? I guess I would add a UI. No, I would add essentially list viewport vertical layer group. I think I'd basically add one of these. So that's going to vertical layer group and content size filter. Do panel right now. I don't think it needs an image. It needs a vertical layer group and a content size filter. Rename that's positive effect. Parent that under that. Well, maybe it's not a group. But I have them each be individual. Probably make more sense to have them each as individual effect rather than just putting my text, maybe. So then, just for example, if I add UI. Where is this? Okay, so I don't need that. Right? Hmm. Uh, no. Hmm. Doing wrong. Okay. Um. Oh. Okay. If I do top. I got used to doing UI in Unity again. So I want it centered. That's its position. What I want it anchored to the bottom. Right? I believe. This I want anchored to. This is a positive effect, so I want it anchored to the left. So I want that. Can I do math on this? Yeah, awesome. I got it. Okay, cool. Then if I add another one of these. Okay, so this is padding. This is just really big. Okay, don't expand. Cool. And then I these on the. Oh, is it because it's a for center? There we go. Okay, that's positive effect. And then if I duplicate that, then I can rename this negative effect. I would probably should negative effect list. List. So then this should be cool. And then I don't need those. So I want I guess I just want image. Image. No. Okay, so I don't want an image. I don't want this. I can remove that. I can remove it from here. I don't know what if I need the content filter, so I'm just gonna take those off for now. Come back to them if I leave them later. I don't need this either. I don't think the list actually needs it anyway, but I'll leave it as it is. That's the two list effect. And then I need to add images. Image. Can I just do F2 to name? Okay, cool. and then let's just, I'll make it all look fancy later. It's green. Sure, green, and let's make it a bit smaller. So it's 180 divided by 4. 50. $225. And then let's look at that. Make it a negative effects image. Nope. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. Negative image. Five. Negative 225. Weird. I guess, yeah. 265. What? I mean, I should set this to 5. Actually, what I can do, let's grab both of these and drag them down. This definitely isn't the best way to be doing this. I mean, I guess I want them to scale down, not from the side, right? I want them to scale from here. So if I set the pivot to there, does that work? Yes. Okay. And then about there. I'm honestly just going to duplicate this and remove this. I don't know why I did that. Back to this. Let's make this red. Easy peasy. A bit ugly. Didn't work with, but. Okay. So now if I go out of here, yeah, I'll clean that up in a second. That's fine. But now if I add stuff, I need to adjust that again. Okay. Oh, well, I mean, I'm gonna be adjusting it anyway. So, unit drop down button. Oh my god, this is so messy. Okay, I'm gonna move this all into the unit manager. It doesn't make sense to have it out here. Okay, so let's make a new thing. Drop down button variable. So what is in here? The rect transform. Steal this. Public void. On drop down. So guess type private var. Nope. Private bool is drop down. Yeah. I don't know why I need. I mean, I'm just gonna drag this all over and then fix it, right? That makes more sense. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Is drop down twice. For that. And start down here. so if I have let's just bring this up. So start for concentration. I'm gonna wind to 2. Start for drop down. Okay, so I need a way to check if it is already drops down. There's no like toggle for that, I don't believe, unless there's one on the button itself. Does this have like a way to check position? Oh no. Nope, I don't think so. Okay. So, unit manager. I guess let's save this. And use the unit manager and drop down press. Why is that able to use unit manager? Is that because I guess because parent is on it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll pull all these in. Drop down button. Backdrop. No, I need the backdrop. Open image is what? Paper. Image. Oh, it's in here. Okay. Randomly, there we go. Paper, and then this scroll. And drop down is drop down. And then okay. Okay. Oh, that's totally working as intended. Okay. But I mean, at least it's doing it, right? That was an improvement. But I can get rid of this script now, right? Drop down. Delete. Yep. Okay. So I'm getting the unit. Okay. I'm checking if it's dropped down. If it is, setting. Why do I need these images? Closed image. Closed image. Is there not a sprite change option on the button? Feels like there should be. Object reference. Got something, haven't I? How's that able to change? Fix that in a second. So let me see. Oh, I have a sprite change. I see. Sprite swap. I guess I don't think I need this. says height, blah blah blah. I need the rest of that. What's wrong with this? In script. Oh, it's because I see. I dragged it in. Like, so this has a color tint, but I wanted to change to highlighted sprite. Pressed sprite. I guess I want pressed sprite to be a scroll. No, I want it to be paper. Oh god. Okay, is there a way to have that be a toggle? That would save my life. You know, feel a bit less work for me. Unity sprite. What? Toggle? Okay. Okay. I don't know if there's an easy way to do that. I'm like, maybe I just change the image to by sprite swap to instead of pressed, reverse. Maybe it's selected. Roll. I don't know why no, I keep going scroll. Originally, I need paper. Paper. Roll. Is what I want. Hmm. Um. Hmm. I don't think it's worth it. I also don't really care about the opening of the sprite, so I might just for simplicity, swap out the paper. What? And something's missing. So, but I don't need the track manager, right? Because oh, the reason I'm getting errors because this is script is still attached. I see. Okay. So I need to figure out what's wrong with that. But now, actually, what I needed to do, Why is that toggle and the other one isn't? Wait. Nope, this one. Oh, I'm doing that through this as well. I might just keep this right up if that's the case. And then change this back to scroll. I need to get rid of some of those images that aren't useful. Okay, are we good? Well, aside from the menu's wrong, but what? Oh, these aren't. Oh, I didn't save. Okay. Unit. Oh, here we go. So this is, I believe, open. No, closed. So that would be scroll. Spent way too long on this. It's not really not worth the effort. So those are those two, and then this is the button. Private. So drop down, that's true, otherwise set default. You set the unit that are unit ref e standard height is original height. This this is the force refresh. Okay. Yeah, because I've run into some issues with that too. Okay. So I mean, how would I vertical? Oh wait, no, I have that. I need to make it public. I was not going to be able to do it anyway because it's the parent of it, right? And the prefab technically doesn't exist. So that's, I might as well just put that. I'm going to rename it though because that name. List of vertical layout group. I don't need to do that. I can just. Well, actually, I can set it to private, right? This is the thing I can do. I can do like serialized field, right? That's something I can do. That means I can put it in, right? Because I'm not using it anywhere else. So. Yes. Now I should probably do that with a lot of these. I'll worry about that stuff later. So, private. A lot of these. I don't know why am I even setting this here? This makes no sense. Okay. So am I just using this for drop down? This I don't need, so I can just do like transform. What I should do. Oh, thanks for the raiders, Danny_K2094. How you all doing? I'm just making a D&D initiative thing. I don't know any of you guys play that or no. It's a little bit broken right now because I'm in the middle of stuff. This doesn't work. Why you just quickly undo this for 1 second? Ooh. Oh, this is a cute emote. You have a nice stream? What were you doing? If this works now, hopefully I'll be able to show you. I'm making like a D&D thing so I can be like, yo, this is Hobson. He got a 2 initiative. But also, Devton got a Devton got a 1 initiative. And then the Gobbos. It's a Danny raid! Gobbos got a 31. So I can set all these, and then hopefully it should be able to sort. Thank God. I've got that worked. How's everyone doing? What is this emote? Hot bud. That is that's definitely an emote. Thanks for the raid, everyone. Ooh, as in like Game Jam, as in like for a Game Jam? Researching carnival rides. That is not something I've ever done. What were you researching carnival rides about? Was it just like looking at carnival rides? What was I doing? Oh, yeah, I can change this to I don't need this. Transform, rename, backdrop, rec, transform. I don't need this up here. Why am I even using it? I'm using it in the math. I see. I can just use this, right? You can buy carnival rides. What? That's wild. I'm just like, how much would they have cost? Just, curious, I suppose. If I just randomly want a carnival ride in my backyard. So I don't need this anymore, right? I can just do that. Oh, dot. There's a little. Oof. Yeah. I mean, it's to be expected. It's a carnival ride, but also expensive. I don't know why I have this all set up. So I could just do. Yeah, I think I just did this for my own sanity. So I set this to false. Instead of channel goal. Honestly, though, that would be wild. That would be hilarious. Oh my god. I mean, it would be unique. I think out of everything, I'm like, I've never heard someone say that. Like, you guys, I got like a, a donation goal so we could all go on a carnival ride. It's definitely unique. Ugh. But yeah, how did the games jamming go? Did it go well? Oh, I mean, hopefully. Start down. This like a more parent. Point. I need this because it's a unit. It's a prefab, so I can't do it. Yeah, do this so I have an original height. That's fair. I mean, it was that sounds like a wild tangent. What games jam was it for? Is it for like a local one, or is there one going on recently? I haven't really kept. I don't really look into it. I haven't really done any game jams. When I was in school. There was a good few guys that, because we had a games development thing, and they did a couple, which was interesting. Seems very stressful, depending on like a lot of things, but it seems can be a bit of a crunch. Make a game a month. I'll have to check it out. Make a game a month. Game jam. I mean, hey, a month's definitely better than some of the ones I've seen. Some of them were like, you get a weekend, and it's like, ugh. Especially with all the rest of the shit we had in college, was like, no, not this one, not for me. Original height, yeah, that's fine. I'm setting that at the beginning. I don't need to gather these. I just need to. Yeah, I don't need. I just need extended height. I don't need this. Yes, I know you don't like me right now, but the original height is oh, that's fine. Factor height is this, and then that. Is there like a specific theme with the game jam, or is it just kind of what ifs? I think that should work. Do I need to? I don't think I need to set this to active. I'll just have it be deactivated at the beginning, or is that going to cause issues with the script? If I put this to non-active. Oh. Oh wait. Yep. What does up do? Oh, it's because I renamed it. Drop correct in terms of oh, because that's disabled, so I can't do that, right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Fine. I thought that might have been that might have been the way. So I need to undo that. Can I do this all with just a rec of that? Maybe. I think this is still messed up, right? Because of the. Yeah, it's super extensive. I guess that's probably where because I have the pivot. New Vector 2. Oh, thanks for the follow, Irish John Games. What a... I don't know if you're with the Raiders or not, but just if you weren't, if you're not, I'm building an initiative tracker for D&D purely just because I'm lazy. So I can kind of sort stuff basically, but just in case. And then I don't think it would work right now because they're technically not set, and then they would. There you go. I'm trying to build some extra stuff, but as you can see, it's currently not actually working. I think I fucked my pivots when I was trying to fix stuff earlier. But that's just life. It is also not very pretty right now. The list vertical game group, this get component, that's fine. Original height. I don't know why. I might as well just use the full name at this point. Transform. I'll clean up later if I need to. Original height, blah, blah, blah. Can I, if I change that to transform? Okay, so it's changing the images. But yeah. Has anyone else got any cool projects going on? This is just kind of stuff I'm doing in a bit of my spare time now. I've been doing this for many years, but like little bits. I did this when I was in my last year of college, and I got like nothing done. It was like, I was procrastinating, but you gotta take a break every once in a while. Pain otherwise. Drop downs. I need that. Okay, I might as well put a note for myself. Need I wonder, can I change this to a rec? It would be fine. Yeah. Object. Cool. Do that. That's fine. And that's fine. And then I just need to set it down here. But now I don't need to get this. I could just do size of delta. That size delta even. So now what I need to do is I need to load this up. So, oh wait, what? Oh, I didn't assign it. Drop down right. So this one. It's okay, Tanny. I mean, how long were you streaming for? Because honestly, sometimes I do like a couple of hour streams and I just completely forget. But thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. So this is here. Maybe I wanted it at the bottom. One second. Automod has killed your message, but I do want to see. Hopefully this won't reverb. Or, mute. No, I think Nightbot just killed your message. Trying to think, how do I? I'm more worried to see this now, but Nightbot, please stop. Is it Nightbot doing it? It must be. Nightbot. Yeah, I think I have that. One sec. I shall quickly change it because I think it's I already have. Oh, here we go. Infinity. Let's not do that. Spam protection. I imagine it's in this. But yeah, here we go. Because I already have the base. Okay, try it again. It'll probably get caught by automod, but I can uncatch it in automod. Hopefully. Nope. Nightbot might just be taking a sec. I don't know. You want to just break up the link and I can paste it? I'll have to get that figured out. I wonder if it's a Nightbot thing. Haha. No, it just killed the other part too. The joys of learning how all of this works. Nope. I believe. Gotta be a fast way to just toggle it on and off. Okay. Let's see. Thank you. I know that was far too much work than what it probably is going to end up being, but I appreciate it. I want to see these horror carnival rides that I've been told about. Okay, one second. Okay, I want everyone to see this because what is this? What am I looking at here? What is this? Wait, we need to pause the music. Pause the music. What is this horror ride I'm looking at? Wait. Oh my god. What is this?
Welcome aboard my electric train.
The eyes on that thing are terrifying. They look so excited. They look like, yes, I'm living my best life here. What is this, Daddy? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. I feel like I've seen this ride somewhere else.
A tissue, we all fall down.
Yeah, I mean, I guess like maybe they're like trying to sell it towards like people that are like I don't know, want to live in a horror movie, maybe. Jesus Christ, that was amazing. Okay, back to the chill music, the chill. Okay, how much was that train? Please tell me that wasn't the thing that cost 20,000 or like 200,000. Please tell me that was like a, oh, here's like, I mean, that's fair, but also I feel like it maybe if they did that they might have sold more. 10 grand? Oh my god. Imagine spending 10 grand on that. That'd be hilarious. Is that the goal for that train? Unit train has not been assigned. No, right. There we name this too. Because that would be. That's okay. You get some food. Thanks for popping by. Thanks for the raid. Now I do really appreciate it, and for the follow. I'll have to catch some of your streams. I'm interested to see how the 1 month game jam goes, and if there's any more carnival ride tangents. Alright, enjoy. Okay, so this works, but this is still broken. I think it's my pivots wrong. I think. So if my pivot's wrong, it's this. So maybe I should have this at the bottom. Wait, no. Should I do it this way? I just want to see, because it doesn't matter because it's visible. So okay, so that seemed to work. I just need to fix its location. Probably an actual like mathematical way to do this, but we're lazy. This is a prototype, right? Totally a prototype. Yeah, looks good enough. Aha! There we go. Okay, so hopefully now I'm gonna clean this up eventually, but the idea would be, because I originally had it, I don't know if I probably don't have an image of it. I had like the initiative, not the initiative, I had like the armor class and the speed and all that stuff, but I think what is actually going to be more useful is to just track the actual changes. So rather than you having to input, oh, this is this random PC's speed, or this NPC, or this goblin speed, or whatever, you just track, oh, their speed is now at half. I think that makes more sense. It's not going to actually link to anything, it's just kind of a read thing. One thing I do want to do is I want to add like a damage button up here. I don't know if I have space. I might, I have to mess with stuff. Like this is all kind of just prototyping anyway. What happens if I have this open and do it? That's weird. If I add this. Strange. So it's clearly. Oh wait, I'm still in here. Is that the vertical layer group? Or is that, it's probably giving too much on this. So that's the X. This is the Y, so it's backdrop. I did this before. I had literally had this working, but I've broken it since I tried to clean stuff up. So I can only blame myself. So that's 185 from the top, and then that's 310. Sure, 310. Let's give it a 300. Oh, 300. 2 zeros. Let's try. But I can make it fit the content, I suppose, later. That's actually something I should write down because I'll forget to do that. Make the size of the drop scale with the just because I actually have it set up, I'll list of 115 just because I had the things already and they're not actually scaling too fitted anyway. I mean, is it? Maybe it's that. I do that. Well, might go to get a drink in a second. I finished my Ribena. Ribena. So that's 185, and then that's 315. So if I just for example, if I make a UI, make an image, for my own sanity's sake here, 315. Oh, there's 185. $185, 315. 0, 0. So that should be exactly 500. But it's getting extended out for some reason. Actually, have I made that public? Extended height. I believe I have. Need to be in this. Need to be here. I haven't made it public. Let's just make it public just so I can see it. Public. Oh, I'm on insert. Am I? No. Make the size of the scale to match the content. The undo button. Dangerous. Must have insert on. Just see. Public. Those are getting set anyway, so I don't have to worry about setting them. So extended height, that's wrong. This is right, this is wrong. Okay, so that should be, it's over. So what's wrong with it? It's backdrop, drop down rect. Oh, one of these is wrong. That answers my question. I just dragged the wrong thing in. I'm done. So backdrop. There we go. That should hopefully fix it. Okay, that was a fairly small error. Hopefully that is fine. Hey, there we go. Let's go. If I copy this. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so fix that. So that's this. Yep. Cleaned up. Done. I haven't done that. I've done that. Implement blah. So I want to do a damage check, hopefully. So I'm just going to do a debug.log, I think, for now. I need to add a new thing to the unit again. So on the normal backdrop, I might just initiative okay button. Move this over. Not the best solution, but for now it's fine. UI UI button. I have a sword. Yeah, iron sword. Sure. 100 salute. Put it there for a second. Okay. So let's make a new thing. I don't need these public anymore. These private. Worry about that stuff later. Okay. Button. I think I could probably separate this into its own class, to be honest. But we'll see. damage. Probably name it in the thing as well, right? That makes more sense. I don't need text. Delete. Damage. Weapon. Actually, do these have? No, they don't have text. Okay, cool. That's fine. Image is fine. Okay. So on damage stress. Keep it log for now. I can damage. Ah! Okay, that works. Unit manager. Unit manager. Why does this one work? This one doesn't. Someone lets me do it. What's the difference between this and this? Is it because I have the actual... No, that's the image or the button. That's not the actual button. Public void. Public void. Um... Maybe it's because I think I made that previously, so maybe it's like, am I missing like this stuff? Do I need these? Probably not. But I don't know, man. Oh no. Please open. Here we go. I guess maybe I probably set them while I was making the... No. Uh... I feel like it's something to do with prefab, but I don't know enough about them. If I drag, for example, if I drag it here. Can I set it now? Duplicate this. There has to be something I'm doing wrong with fucking everything. Which button? Oh, this is unit. Oh, I see. I understand what's wrong. Okay. So what's wrong is that I was dragging actual script, not the one that was on... for a second. How do I... Can I do that? Lock this one. Have that one. Can I drag this? I can't. Interesting. Very weird. Okay. It's probably a better way to do that. Well, that means I can fix this too, though. It means I can do this. Okay. That's really useful. Okay. That means actually I can clean up a little bit of my code. I'm just gonna go on a quick break just because some of my family came back, so I will just say hi to those and probably be back in a few minutes. Clean this up. Hey, see you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Just catching up with peeps since they got back. And I got some water in my Lewis Yogurtcast mug. It's very cute. Oh, if any of you follow that. Oh, focus. I am kind of like a Yogurtcast fanboy because I got Ben. It's been lapooned. Wait, in camera. I need to move this camera over here and use my microphone over there, so that when I'm looking this way, you guys don't have like, because this is where my microphone is. Over this side. I need to change sides so that this is where my other monitor is. I have a terrible setup, basically. But yeah, look at this guy. He's like my, the rubber duck that I need to talk to. So I fixed this. So I have an undamaged thing, and I fixed it all now, so I don't have to have the weird stuff, right? Oh, I can get rid of this. Close that. Hallelujah. I've been damaged. I've been damaged. I don't think I need collected. I don't know if I need this. Definitely think there's some way I can fix that. Don't know. That can be just the toggle on, right? Because it's just a one press. I don't know why I have this. I mean, I've done it on everything else, so I should stay consistent, I suppose. Okay, so let me see. What do I want for this? I've been damaged. I've been damaged. I should collapse this. I don't know why that cracks me up so much. I've been damaged. I'm in danger. So let me see. What do I need to do now? I need to check to see. Okay, the unit manager. So this has a check. If is concentrating that just flips it. If it's concentrating this con check else no I think I could just do else return, right? But I think that's fine. Okay, load you in. Oh, I have this the wrong way around. Yeah, I have the wrong way around. If 6 spot. I love all your spot emotes, Daddy. They're amazing. What is that? Is that just all of your emotes? Is just put? I mean, I respect the commitment. Do you have an oven just for spuds? That's the real question. So I don't need this anymore. So I need it that way. So contract. So if the contract, then I want it to activate. What do I want it to activate? Like a that's actually a dishwasher. Danny, it's a dishwasher. Oh, one sec. I need like a. Give me the. Let me zoom in on this. I think I need context there, Danny. I'm a bit lost. I thought it was like one of those like very fancy like cooking things where you like dehydrate your food on different trays. I thought it was one of those. It's a dishwasher. Why? Why is there? I can't tell if those spuds or potato chips in your dishwasher or coming out of your dishwasher. So this is concentrating. This doesn't need to do anything. I guess I should flip this, right? So if it's not doing that, then just return on check. No, I'll put this up here. Oh, I see. Okay, I see the name for it is 6 spud, so I'm like, interesting. A mini dishwasher, like, okay, as you do, you know, totally normal. I mean, hey, you do you, Daddy. Oh yeah, a mini dishwasher, interesting. Yeah, I've never mini dishwasher. Like, I'm wondering how small this is. Oh, it's like on your countertop. Interesting. Honestly, that might actually not be. You know, I might actually need one of those for my kid in the future. I don't know if I want my own to be puck and beans though. Just saying. You're welcome. A true hero. You know, you're like a prophet, delivering the good word of my of mini dishwashers. So no contract. So this is fine. So I don't need to do anything. If I do that, I mean, why do I even check this? I'm losing my mind. Don't return. If nothing else happens, just don't do anything. Overcomplicating things. If it's concentrating, then I want this to activate like an overlay on top of everything that stops the game. So probably want that on the UI manager. Do I have a reference to the UI manager on this? Do I actually have a reference? So I have the reference to the drag manager on the UI manager. Probably want to make that like, what was it? Dev BB was saying before that I should probably make it like a singleton, but I don't know. I looked up that stuff and I was like, that seems a bit sketch. Well, not sketch, but seemed dangerous. I'm like, maybe I should wait until I know, because I'm kind of just making this up as I go. So I need public. No, I don't need public. It can just be private. UI manager. UI. UI manager. I'll pump that up for a second. UI manager. What do we have on you? Support units, destroy units, add unit. Because I wanted to like basically alert you when someone gets damaged and they're concentrating. So an issue that's not gonna use. That's not gonna use. That's all to do with the sorting. Move all that down. So I guess public void concentrate no, to be like a verb, right? Pause concentration. What do I need in here? So, what do I even have? Okay. So what I need now is, so this would be in the canvas, and I can just put it on top of everything. So I can put like UI image, just put on top of everything. Right, is this okay? There we go. I was like, what's going on? Don't want you to have an image that. Do I no rename? Uh, concentration. Concentration. Blocker? I don't know. Blocker? I guess I don't know. I don't have a good name for this. I should no say white, but I just want you to have like some alpha so I can see if I do this. Cool. I can't press any buttons. Perfect. Um. After that. Do I want to put a button on this, or just have a button in the middle? I don't know. Put that off normally. Is concentration. I guess. I guess overlay. It's an overlay. An overlay. So public no public image. No, I guess it's gig. I want the game object, right? Game object concentration overlay. That I need to make these all like fancy as well later, but that'll take a little bit. But I can do like the animations and stuff. So overlay. Wait, I have a way to just flip it, right? Seriously? Oh, that. Wait, is this deprecated? This is deprecated. Wait, is it? Active. Does this show? That's deprecated. I mean, I could just set active. Through. Oh, it's a method, right? What am I doing? Through. Stop. So that is true, and then on it, I want I didn't set it up right. I was like, why is it working? Because I just left it hanging here. Okay. UI manager the concentration. Concentration. I can't turn it off right now, but that's a instance of an object. Oh, I don't have it set up on the thing, right? Duh. I wonder is there a way to do that actually? Because now that I've learned the secrets of basic prefabs, so if I add a tab, add an inspector, drag it over here, lock that inspector, go back here, lock inspector, go over here. Can I put the drag manager on? No, I can't. Thought so, but worth a shot. Okay. It makes sense because it's not technically in the hierarchy until I add it later, so I guess I'll do this. UI manager My naming is all over the place. I don't know why I've underscored that one, but I haven't underscored the other one. At this point, if it works, it works. I'm not going to complain if it is slightly named wrong. So, I've been down it. Ha. Okay. Can I add text? I mean, I'll just inspect on, I suppose, so I can see. Text mesh. Text UI? No. Oh, it's because there's an image on it, so I have to. Okay. Roll cons. Concept. Yes, to resist all. Okay, so I need to turn this off from the beginning, right? I mean, I guess I could just have the UI manager set that, so I don't have to worry about it, right? No. Start. I guess I need to put this up here, so. Concentration overlay get active. I don't know why I always put comments in for some reason. Not comments. Yeah, comment. Quotation. Whoa. My brain just turned off. Pause construction. That's fine. So now I need to have a way to unpause it, of course, but so those are kind of the same. That's fine. So I now can just leave this on, right? If I wanted to. I'll probably have it off. Okay, cool. Am I getting an error because it's on? No. Cool. So now I can check. Oh, I've been hurt. I've been hurt. I've been hurt. But bam, you were concentrating. So now roll a con save. Roll a con save. Roll for your life. Okay. So I can add a button on this. Maybe I don't like. Do I want a button like in it, or do I want it to just be a thing and you just click it? Don't know. I'll worry about that later. I'm gonna put on the overlay because I probably want it. So even if I had a button in the middle, I'd still want you to be able to click around the button and still be able to do it. So I guess the whole thing should be a button. Button. Add UI manager. I mean, I guess. Should we just? I don't know if this is a good idea. Concentration overlay. Dot. Can I tell if it's active? Can I do this? I feel like this is not legal, but does that work? Let's see if I just fucked. I'm a genius. Okay, cool. Nice. That's problematic. Why is the sword popping down with that? Oh, it's because it's I'm a genius. Completely broke something else. How is that's top right? Oh, they're all set to top right. Does that work? Probably because it was set to center, so right. So when this alters the change. I see. Cool. I've been damaged. I'm gonna move the text out just because it's very awkward. Uh, uh, I like that I can kind of just go around. Okay, so progress. So actually, let's see, what was my list of things I had to get done? Done. UI polish needed. Duplicate units done. For one thing, I did want to look at that tree A. Maybe look at adding suffix to their name in duplicate. Because I kind of intended for this to be, like, for example, I'll load this up and you can see what I mean. I intended this to be like, oh, this could be goblin, right? And he could have a 2, and then, like, for example, instead of having to like do that multiple times, you can just be like goblin, goblin. But now you can't tell which goblin's which. I'm like, maybe I need to add like a suffix. How would you tell, right? Because if I pull this one and duplicate him, then I could pull any of them. I guess I could check to see if they already have a suffix. And then if they have a suffix, I can increment it. I don't know how to increment suffix. I just went to Google and all I saw was a fucking mini dishwasher. Okay. Suffixes. Suffixes? I think that's called. I mean, I could just do it. Well, I can't do a simple increment. I might have to put that one on the back burner for a little bit. Allow altering other unit information. Oh, that's true. I need to add this. Primarily update initiatives if needed. I'm gonna turn this on. The other thing I can do is I can get rid of this default dialog. Just wondering if there's a way to quickly fix this or not, but that's just it's just an update. That's a graphical error glitch that I'm fixing. This feels like not the most efficient way to do that. Why do I need these contributing? I mean, yeah, because I need it for the rest of them. Well, I can get rid of what I guess exhaustion. Not used anywhere. No. Exhaustion, so I'll get rid of this. I don't have speed, I don't have AC. I can get rid of all of those. Okay, cool. Those are just going to be just tracking the changes instead, which I need to pull the spells in for that. And I do have the spells, but I don't have them split on the SRD, so I can't legally, show them. I have some of them split on the SRD. Oh no, I have them all downloaded. I just don't have them split correctly. Actually, is there a way to quickly check on like D&D wiki? Dot. Is there a way to? Can I wonder if I can. For spells, is there a way to? I'm losing my train of thought. I can sort by schools. Yeah, like this doesn't show what's in the SRD. And they're gonna have to do like a manual override on all the ones I've downloaded and see. There's a way for that. Because I would like to implement all the spells, but I also don't want to get sued. Not that they probably care, but you know, considering that they just what Wizard of the Coast just bought D&D Beyond, they're probably going to start to care. Undamaged rest. Fine. Change that. Okay. Make that a little more legible. Rather than I probably need to just spend this like a session kind of cleaning up the UI for this. I honestly need to clean the session just cleaning up my actual like stream UI. It's kind of a mess right now. Like I should probably get like a proper border and stuff. Oh, excuse me. But like this was the main functionality. This was literally the whole reason I even started designing this thing. Purely just so I can be like, you need to remember to roll a contract. That's literally it. Because I would every time I see someone play, or even when I play or anything, I'm always like, you forgot to roll your concept. That's literally it. This is just so I could do this. But it worked. And I have a sorter now too, and I have a deletion. I don't know what else to add. I guess I need to look at start doing. So that's a polish. Figure out how to do the different sorts, I suppose. Can maybe look at adding a suffix to the name. I could do the saver because I do want to be able to save out. Like you could save out your general party. I need to clean up these notes and just make them into a new note system at some point. But I might. We'll see. I don't know. I might try and do something else for next kind of do a thing Tuesday/Thursday. I might work on some stream like visual elements maybe. I also wanted to make like a Python file renamer. I don't really like renaming stuff in Windows, and that was just kind of a, especially when I was doing stuff at work, I was like, this would be helpful. For those damage check on the unit option. Like this probably isn't too bad. It just changes between the two of these. I'm trying to clean this up a little bit. It's a little bit messy now. Oh, it's because I'm in the UI manager. But no, I'm in the unit manager. Why? Sort. Here is the sort. I can sort by this, or I can sort by this. I guess then I can make it. I don't know if I should do a bool. I do a numerator. From what I remember, enumerators aren't good in this. In like Unity, they're not fast. They're not a good idea to be doing. Public in enum. Oh no. I don't know if I should be doing that. We use those in Maya a lot. Those would be exactly what I would use right now. Maybe I should use a dictionary. I'm trying to think here. Oh, You can tell I'm losing. I'm losing the will. You go for 2 hours. I'm always like, um, pro streams, man. Pro streams. Public. I want. I mean, I guess I'll just. I mean, how do dictionaries work? Maybe I could do. Hmm. I mean, if it's what am I trying to do here? Right, break it down. 'Cause I'm losing my mind. Uh, if x is equal to y, for example, I want. Oh no, stop. This is just examples. So please don't autocorrect. Stop. 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 I wanted to do that. What I actually just wanted to do is just wanted to read out what because if I have to do this, then I have to do this for everything. But I mean, there's only going to be 3, probably at most. How would I want it to be sorted? Like, I probably want it to be sorted by name, by highest initiative, and that's all there is to be sorted by. So I guess I shouldn't bother. I'll just do multiple ifs, right? Well, I could just do. I could just do a public int. No, I'll just do a private int. Don't use public. Private int. Source method. Equals. I mean, I think int started 0, right? So should be fine. I don't know. Sort method. So if sort. Oh wait, this needs to be these, right? I'm used to Python. Equal to 1. No, equal to 0. This. Can I do elif? Is that a thing here? Nope. This is probably a better way to do this, but I don't know it right now. I'd rather just make it work. Else. Right now I don't have it written, so let's just put this in. Sort by. Trying to decide, would I ever really even sort by name? Probably not. Oh, what I should do is make this public, just so I can alter it right now. Public. So, 212. Hobson. The reason I keep using Hobson is because what was it? I watched Dungeons and Dragons, and if no one's seen that, you should definitely go watch that because it was hilarious. Some pretty good peeps in that. I don't know personally, but they're pretty funny. They got Dan Floyd they got Joe Cat, which loads of people know Joe Cat, and they got Dan Floyd from Playframe, and his characters are fucking amazing. I love Hobson so much. I'm honestly just heartbroken that it's going to be like a monthly thing. I mean, I understand, but also I want more. And then Eldred, which is from another game, but I'm just talking about people the whole time. It's not gonna be great. But I think that game is on. Okay, cool. That's the Mistletoe, which is also a new game. That was pretty. That was pretty good. Private int. Oh. Unity. Oh, I can just leave it as int sort by name name. Let's just A and B. I guess if I'm doing that, I should have sort by name reverse. Name name nope. Sort by name if I should probably change this into like a switch, I think, right? That's what I should probably be doing. But yeah. By name first. Okay, so that's those. So now if I do, let's do Hobson, set that, and let's do like Alice, and let's do Lenore. So if I do 2, 12, and let's say 4. Put all those up. Put that. Cool. So that's by highest initiative. This is by lowest initiative. This should be by name. And then that should be by reverse name. Cool. So we have that working anyway. This is not the cleanest way of doing it, but for now, it's fine. Now what I need to do is I need to have a button that lets you change rig manager. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I need to have an actual button for that, which is the new thing. I need to have. I probably just make this sort button a bit smaller, be like that size. Move it over. And just like that. Maybe I want to drop down instead. I have no idea how this works. How does a drop down work? Oh, I mean that's exactly what I want, right? How is this working? Okay, so there's an image. So let's get rid of that first. No images. We just use squares here. Option A, arrow. Okay. Roll right. Oh, so it's kind of what I have. I need a handle. The text. This is the background. think it's literally just what I'm doing. Since I haven't done it, I'm like, hmm. That's fine. I think it might just be easier to just make a button that changes symbol each time, right? I think. It's gonna overcomplicate what I'm trying to do. Sort. I keep right clicking. I just do this. Right. Yeah. Sort method. So I don't want this to actually have a drag manager because I don't want this to be a thing. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Want it on this one. Or you can have a button. So that's sort unit. So then, public void swap sort method. Again, I know that there's probably more elegant ways to do this, but I'm a lowly scrub. So, if sort method is equal to three sort method equals 0, else sort method equals can I just do plus plus? Cool. I could probably do like a visual change, but yeah. So let's see. Oh wait, I didn't change it. I'm a fool. Button. Sorry. Okay. Purpose was that just to 13. I don't think I need anything else than that. Well, I'll add another one just to Z, and I'll do the 4, 3. Okay. So if I sort, it goes to that. Now if I sort, it goes that. Now if I sort, it goes vertical, and then it's anti-alphabetic. Okay, I definitely need an image on that because it makes no sense. Do I want to track 4 images on it, or would I want to track 4 different objects? Would that make more sense? I would just have, I think it would probably be easier to just have the graphic change, right? Animation. I don't know enough about this. Swipe swap. No. I just need multiple different images. It's got to be a better way to do that. Pause concentration. Those are all sorts. Let me think here. So animation. No. Oh, what? There's actually a toggle? Yo, what? Wait. I've overcomplicated this. I need to put this somewhere. Uh, here. -1. Uh, there is a toggle component in Unity. Look at that? Question marks. um. Okay, I just googled it and I was like, "There's actually a toggle." So if I add component toggle. Okay, so I need to get rid of this button. This was the thing. Uh. How does this work? So this is a toggle. So this can't work for what I wanted to do right now. So I do actually want this to be a button because this has multiple different states. I mean, what's a toggle? I'll have a look. Oh, yeah, fine. For example, this. Remove that for a second and get a toggle. What's a toggle group? What? I'm learning too many things at once. My brain cannot comprehend. It's quite late for me to be paying attention. Toggle group unity. What does this do? Oh, I see. It's so that you. Oh, okay. Don't need a toggle group. I need just a toggle. Toggle. Nope. So that's okay, Danny. You get some sleep. I think I'll probably go for another hour. Then I'll be closing up anyway. So thanks for popping by. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm hoping I can catch some of your streams now. I'm interested to see what you make for your game of month. It'll be fun. Right, you get some Z's. Get them sleeps. What am I looking for? Vectographic. Nope. Hmm. Uh, so, um. I don't need this on concentration press right now. I don't believe. Right. I just need to make. I need to fix some stuff. So that's public. Tag. Value changed. Toggle Unity. Let's learn together, shall we? Sorry, I had all my stuff off screen. Give me an example, please. No examples. Okay. But it's doing a transition. Yeah, I think I might hold off on this just because I don't know what I'm doing. I need to do a bit more research. So I'm just gonna put that back to a button. Sort method. Leave that be a button too. I'll fix those later. That works. I just need to change its sprite. So I think right now So I can just make graphics for it. So I should just have multiple graphics in it. So I could say sort. I can make a list in the UI manager for now. Anyway, public image. No. Graph. Is it what did I color image? Sprite. Public sprite. Sprite. Sort. Right. Let's see how that works. So let's I don't have any symbols for this. Let's make this cheese and ball and copper coin and a crate. I just need placeholders for now. So sort method. So I would just want this image to be this a cheese, so I don't know what I'm doing. But what I need then is I need access to the public image. No, just image. Is it graphic? Is that what I'm doing wrong? No, image. I'm missing something up here. So I need using UI probably. Yeah, there we go. Public image sort method image. I definitely think I can probably put in here. I want to. It's a array, so then it would be sort method image equals sort right sort method. That should work. Oh, dot image. No. Closed image. And I'm using this on the drop down. Oh, that's bright. So it's dot sprite. Cool. I just need to hook that up. We'll see this cheese turn into something that's not cheese. Hopefully. Haha, yes, it works. Let's hope they still sort, I suppose. H 2. I have no idea what the symbols mean, but so cheese should sort by highest. Oh, I didn't mean to add one. Blah. Highest initiative. Coal is lowest. Totally. Names. Reverse names. Cool. Okay. So I've got that working. Wait, so I think next stream I might have to do what's it called? A big kind of UI overhaul, because right now everything's kind of a mess. I think I just need to draw some stuff. Might do some pixel stuff, but I can need to do a stream like kind of art overhaul anyway. So implemented, but need UI fix. Oh, if it's done, and maybe I could look at adding this. I've got what, like another 50 minutes. Saving, I'm gonna look back at saving because I was looking up stuff that's like binary serialization and EXML services, like JSONs. there's loads of different reasons, and like I think I probably wouldn't do binary because it doesn't matter. You can I would want you to be able to alter the files if you wanted. It's not like a game. You know what I mean? This is something I do need to add. So if is there a way to do that right now? What was that? Huh? For example, if I grab this first unit, can I turn back on its initiative? And then if I I need a way to be able to turn that back on because I might want to change them. But I mean, I guess I could just drag them. I don't know. Duplicate done. I don't want to do a suffix right now. That's done. 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 Nah, not that's UI like pivots and stuff. That's definitely this is gonna take ages to figure out because I want this to interact with the spell list as well. So like if someone casts bless, it would show that you've been blessed and what that means roughly. I'll have a look at that later. So I guess I might have to look at doing this alteration thing. Okay, so if that is the case, I need to look at this code, which this is a fucking nightmare. Store string. Okay, so hide the UI. Hide. Okay. What does this do? Does not equal null. Definitely think I can move this over into this manager as well. Using PM Pro. Because right now I have the drag manager, UI manager, the unit manager, the drop zones, and then I have this was a test I did for my phone like 2 years ago, so it's probably not even gonna work. Let's just see if I can get this over. It's gonna be dangerous. I don't know if I want to have everything over here. Sure. Just do it. Everything's gonna break, but fuck it. Move those down there so this is a little bit cleaner. Drag. Okay, so first of all, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Place that out. This drag stuff. Don't need that sort. Put that down with the other sort stuff. UI input. Oh wait, this is a problem because I have it on multiple inputs, right? Well, no, I could just take the manager and assign that, right? Right? Don't, because why does it need the script? Image, that's text area. Fine. I could just take both input fields. Okay. Might be a little bit messier than I was hoping. Window. I can turn this up a little bit. Private string. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna get some water and have a think. I'll wait for the computer for just a second. Okay, I don't know why I came back and immediately coughed. But yeah, what I thought I could actually do, I might be able to pass in the, because basically it's only getting triggered when this store string thing is happening, right? And that store string is only happening on these buttons. So I could pass in what the pass in what these are for. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. So private string. Yeah. I need to think about this now. So I don't need this. I just need initiative equals that, and then unit name equals that. This that name equals unit. Oh, this dot name. Okay, that makes sense. So input string. This is all wrong. Yeah, well, I think what I just need to do is I just need to do it. So unit manager. So I still store string, full name. This one is unit manager, store string. Okay. Something's gonna break, right? E5. None of this work. Okay. So let me think here. Maybe I can pass in game object button. Oh. Then I can pass this in, right? Then buttons would track. Right? What's wrong? Is that what's wrong? I see. Then if this actually just unit manager. Can I not do that? It won't let me pass in a game object. Button? Button? You're like, no. But who knows? Okay, that's a note. I guess I can't pass in two things. Makes sense. Okay, so we can't pass in those two things. Let's just see if this comes back up, I suppose. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, I guess if I'm doing the data type, I can just do it off of this, right? I mean, I guess I could do a UI string. I mean, I guess I could just no, I don't need to put that up there. I can just put it up here. Okay. Gotta be a better way to do this than what I'm trying to do here. What is this thing? Setting the input string, which is just setting that to the input field. What's that? Output text. Why do I need this input? I don't. Oh, it's because it's not a string otherwise, so I can't parse it. But no, this is a string, right? Wait, can I just do that? Oh, what did I do? Back something anyway. Okay, there we go. No? Okay. But I've got more screen space. I wasn't using that anyway. I don't need this anymore. Okay. Slowly cleaning it up bit by bit. So input field of text. I guess I should just do public game object name input. Object E. Nope. I guess. Then I just need a reference to these. So, uh, input field equals input dot, uh mm, okay. Let me see. If I add this, hello. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Name. So that says hello. So I don't need this. I do. The one thing I do need to do is I need to get rid of that and get rid of let's see. Know what this is. I get rid of that. It literally disappears. What is this then? Oh, without that I can't type. Oh. Mm. Okay. Um. Input dot get component in children. There's only one, right? Yeah, that should work. Uh, Input bucket. What? Do it. Transform. I mean, I guess if I'm doing that, I can just make it a transform, right? Transform. Hmm. Object. Oh, okay. So since I pushed all of these in here, should be fine. These just don't work. Um. I guess I could do a return final output dot text string, return string, and then put this in here. Jeez. uh. Input. Feels like not the best way to go about this, but I don't really have an alternative right now. So, see. First of all, what I gotta do is I need to go up here. Initiative input, name input. See if this works. Oh, 23. Does work. Oh my god. I'm kind of shocked. Hello? Okay. Um. Don't need this. Right? I don't need this. Um. think I should rename this not hide UI, it's update UI. Yeah, makes sense. And I can just put this in. Hmm. Final output. Okay. I mean, no, it works like that, right? Just like um return I think like this worked. I'm just worried I'm gonna forget how it worked. Right. I'm gonna move this over to stuff over here. Hold on. Okay, cool. So I fixed that up. Fixed that up. Source string. I want to remove leading zeros if you type them in. Put that down there. I don't need any of these. Input fields. Added the final to the input field. I just get a component on that. I have to get it in children. I'm not sure. Hobson. I don't have to get it in children. Cool. UI. So I could just no, I don't need this. What am I speaking? I turned that. Help. Help. So okay, so I could just do for each child in input dot get child. No. No. Child count. Um. For I in I in input dot child count I is no. I'm not doing this for loop correctly at all. Unity for loop. I'm so used to doing a for each for okay. For I int I equals 0, I is less than input dot child count I plus input dot get child 0 dot set game object dot set active. We don't need this anymore. Right, I think that should be fine. And now this will work, hopefully. Apparently not. Or equal to. Turns off the text box. Oh, I put it. I'm a fucking idiot. I just put straight up put a 0 in there, so it doesn't work. One of these days I'll learn. Just how it be. Cool. Okay, I've minimized that down a fair bit. Cleans it up a lot. This I definitely like. I definitely think there's has to be a better way to do this. I'll look at that later. But now that I've condensed it down, what I can do is I can delete this script. Slowly cleaning this up. So the rest of these are kind of needed. Like these 3 are needed. This I could maybe get away with somehow, but I'm not sure how. And because I think this only works on the thing that's being dropped on. And then that's for the touch. So that's a whole other story. need to add an edit button to this. I could have it so that have it so that edit press and hold on the value. Move that because I'm not going to realize what where it needs to be. Okay, so let's closing up soon, I think. So completed. I'm going to rearrange this so that we have an idea of what to do for next time. Completed. Let's see. Added sorting. Names. Yep. So let's see. UI fix up for sorting sort nested right. Okay. Drop down. Yeah, that's fine. Make the rest drop down back drop. Fail to match the content holds. Updated. Can I underline this? Nope. On lowercase. Updated the drop-down information to measure reflect. Updated the drop-down information to better reflect use cases and limit user work. User work. Okay. Look into toggle component community of my buttons. Okay. The damage button. While concentrating. Damage the damage button that brings up interface if the unit was concentrating. Added duplicate unit functionality by dragging unit on add unit button. Okay. Add suffix etc. to distinguish duplicated unit names. I'm gonna move this down because I think it's fine for now. Save out unit, allow altering. this. Put there. Script, add cell. SRD only into system file manager. I'll just write on that. Eight. Okay, cool. So we are kind of fix up the UI some fix ups. I'll fix that. I don't think that should be too bad. I just need to figure out how save out counter. Add an edit button. Okay, so we're almost at 3 hours. I might just have a look about adding that button itself, and then so I would probably want it on each unit. You wouldn't have to edit everything. Yeah, that will make more sense, right? Edit button. I mean, actually, what I could do. Can I add a button to this? Button. Wait, duplicate that. Rename. Hey, Thorny Ghost. How's it going? Hit button. Oh, I actually want this to be. I'm just. I don't know if you've seen this before. But I'm just making an initiative tracker for D&D. Primarily just so I can save my own sanity when I'm trying to do concentration checks. But kind of been spiraling out of control, I think so. Oh, that's okay. No worries. It was. I appreciate the, popping in, and it was nice. I'm very interested to see how Danny's stream goes next time. I want to see how that game jam goes, because that's not something I've ever done, so it should be fun. Okay. Maybe I might have a look and see. I haven't actually made ever really well. I think we technically made a game in college. I did animation, so I didn't actually do game dev. Could be fun though. Yeah, no, I watch I watch like Game Maker's Toolkit, all those guys. Yeah, no, I mean, month-long one doesn't sound too bad. I feel like I'd procrastinate. I feel like it's gonna be. I'll be like, oh yeah, I have a month. It's totally fine, and it's just like, no. But yeah, I don't know. I might see how Danny's one's gone. If they're kind of like a monthly thing, maybe I might hop in next month or something. Imagine. I wonder what the themes would be. What was I trying to do? So I'm trying to make edit button. Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, I know that there's loads of them. Thank you. What about yourself? Are you planning on doing? Oh, thanks for the follow as well. I appreciate that. Are you going doing any game jams, or are you just kind of, just watching? I mean, hey, you can do it too. So I want this kind of basically stretch that. There we go. I mean that's to be fair now. I don't actually know that much about game. It is very interesting. I will say that. When I was in college, I did animation stuff, so it was very interesting to see kind of how the sausage is made. Coding, it's not well. I'm doing coding, but I'm like, coding's not too bad. Honestly, coding's a lot of just like, as long as you understand, like, you can kind of know very little, and then just be like, okay, I want to know. Like, for example, I didn't remember how to do a for loop in Unity, which is kind of like one of the most basic things you learn. So I'm like, just do, where's this? Just do Google, and they usually just tell you. Thankfully, like, especially with Unity, like Unreal Engine is one thing, but like Unity, literally bajillions of tutorials have been written for this thing. You know, anything you ever want to do, someone's probably done it. You just need to figure out why they did it, because it's useful to know what you're putting in your code. But it's very interesting. I like being able to just kind of do whatever. Like, I don't know. I guess I make tools in Python for Maya, so I like the efficiency when I'm like, oh yes, this task that took me 400 button presses before, now I just press one and does it. I'm like, oh, every time I do it, I'm like, yes. That's why I'm like, that's why I'm like, I need to do this. I cannot have mental brain power going through me. Playing D&D, I'm like, I have to remember that this person's concentrating, this person. No, I'm lazy. I'm now all I do, if I get this to work, I just press this and be like, it'll tell me to do it. Hopefully not as in my face as this, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah, no, I definitely like the owl efficiency. No, a game jam might be interesting. Yeah, I don't know. These days I'm kind of like tired. I'm tired from just doing like 3-hour stream and like a couple of walks. I'm like the pandemic has like seriously killed my what's it called? My energy level. I'm from Ireland, so got the EU time zones, which is always fun. But no, it's not too bad here. I mean, better than being in like, some of the like England and stuff looks fairly rough these days. Oh, no offense, but like your country looks. I mean, I don't think it out of the British people, but your government looks a little bit rough these days. That's all I'll say. The little bits I know, yeah, it looks pretty bad. I mean, yeah. To be fair now. Ugh. Yeah, I just feel bad because like so many people didn't want what they have there. I'm like, ugh. But I mean, I guess that's just kind of lots of places at this point. Lots of places don't kind of get stuck with whatever the fuck everyone else votes, even if they're idiots. So okay, now I have the button over there. So I need this to be. I don't actually need an image for that, right? So if I load this, what would happen? No, it needs an image to be raycastable. But I can just make it invisible. Yeah, the reunification. I mean, I don't know. It's one of those things where, I mean, go for it. I will say, it's pretty chill here. It has its ups and downs as kind of everywhere else, but it's fairly chill. The reunification, yeah, it's one of those things where that was such a, what's it called? It's such a big selling point. Like even some of our political parties is such a big selling point, and I'm kind of like, I'm Republic. I'm down south, so Republic. But honestly, I don't really care at this point. I know loads of people are like, oh my god, we want the real Irish back, but I'm kind of, or the real Ireland back, and I'm like, at the end of the day, yeah, I don't know. I don't really mind. Realistically, if people want to be in it, then it's whatever. It doesn't really affect me. For the people on the border, I feel like they probably have a different story. But yeah, no, I know a couple of people up in the north as well. But, like realistically, for most average people, it's like it literally doesn't matter. Aside from the like border existed, they're like, this doesn't matter at all. Yeah, I don't know. That whole like kind of nationalist view, I'm a bit like, I don't really care. It's okay. My auto mod has not had many messages to go through, so it's fine. You may curse. It's okay. uh I mean, let's say this. English can be fucks. But to be fair now, I've met a lot of Irish people that I'm like, these guys can be fucks too, to be honest. So I have this set up and it's invisible. I don't want it actually active. But I want that to swap. So then if I do that, that was in the unit manager, it update UI. I'll probably only be streaming for another like 20 or so minutes. I don't think I'll be streaming for that long. It is almost midnight, so I'm gonna get some sleep, hopefully. I might stream tomorrow, but I probably won't be doing any coding. I think I'm gonna do I've been playing Elden Ring, so I'm gonna be continuing that. I might do some more coding on Thursday. To kind of try and do something on Tuesdays and Thursdays, purely just to like, I don't know, make me do things that aren't just playing video games. Yeah, I mean it's my thing. It's called I call it, I'm very creative, so I called it do a thing Tuesday or do a thing Thursday. Using the creative juices, using that like technically not an art degree but art degree. Oh, thanks. I mean, stop by anytime you want. I generally try and stream kind of in the evenings. That's when I'm free. Thanks. Use the many creative juices to come up with that one. But yeah, no. So probably do some coding on Thursday. There's a couple of notes here that I need to finish up. But after that, it might be kind of a couple of art streams, which I will say my art skills are very low. I was a 3D animation guy, not a 2D. A draws, no. But I mean, I can't have my sort button be cheese. My sort button be cheese, coal, coins, and a crate forever. So gotta get that sorted out eventually. You doubt, but just you wait. But yeah, no, I hope you get some sleep now too. And hopefully I'll see you sometime soon. And I just want to finish this thing up, and then I'm pretty much done. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I mean, honestly, even if I get this into just a working state so I can like put it on my phone, because no doubtedly when I put it on my phone, it's gonna break. Because none of this is probably gonna work if I try to use like touch. So that's gonna be probably a whole stream. I guess this -1. Can I do that? So actually what I could do, I could just do this. Game object dot active self and invert this. Right? So, and then night thorny ghost. Thank you. So if I turn that now, is there a button on here? Yes. I did the thing. Now if I click on that edit button, I want it to undo all of that. But for right now, I'm just gonna do a private no, I can make a public string unhide UI log unhide. Why is this wrong? public void. So now if I set that up, hopefully this should work. And then I think at that we'll probably call it for today, because I got a fair bit done, to be honest. I was kind of happy enough with this stream. So I'll change this to unhide UI. Needed like to be like kind of pressed though. Touch count, yep. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it there. I got enough done, and at this point I think I'm just gonna get more and more tired and probably make more mistakes. I got enough done, and I can add this in later. But what I could do, I'll rename that to edit UI. So it makes more sense. Edit UI. And then what I can do is I can add one of these to here. Okay. And we're done. Well, thanks for that stream now, everyone. That was a lot of fun. It was cool that we got the raid, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to continue this sometime, but I think it's gonna be more Elden Ring tomorrow. Maybe more of this. We'll see about some arts, and we'll see if 30 Ghosts' belief in me is gonna hold up. But what I should do this time, because I haven't done it, and I don't know if there's anyone watching, but I should be nice and kind of put it forward. If there's anyone streaming, let's find someone that's streaming. Yeah, that was very nice. Let's go to some of the smaller streams. How's it going? I can see myself in it. That's kind of funny. Someone's doing some Unreal Engine 5. What about this? How are they doing? Yeah, no. What's up on that top? Need some words. Oh, this guy's making file editor. Oh, okay. This person's working in Blender. No, unfortunately, it's not an English stream. Man. Unfortunately, I don't see anyone that I can just kind of raid, unfortunately. A lot of them. Any D&D Dungeons and Dragons streams. I mean, these people are playing Candlekeep Mysteries. I don't know if And no party conspiration. I don't think there's anyone here, but as it is, we might. Let's raid these guys. They're watching something. I can't raid it anyway. What am I talking about? I was like, I can raid. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. Wait, no, can I raid? Wait, can I? Raid? Man, I need to figure out how Twitch works. I'm gonna be honest. I can't. Is there anyone that I'm watching? Actually, here's what we can do. I was hoping to, give a small, I don't know, zone here, small streamer, but the D&D Beyond is doing their Jasper's Game Week thing, which is for charity, I believe, and they're doing games. I think that's a worthy cause. Let's do that one. So that. Okay, thanks for hopping in the stream, everyone. It's been fun, and I hope to see some of you tomorrow.